This piece of burl was given to me by a friend. He dropped it off and told me to just do something cool with it. And I've been kicking it around for a while, and I finally decided to do something. So I cut this blank out of a much larger, much gnarlier piece of wood. And as you can see here, I'm mounting it on the lathe via a woodworm screw. And I'm going to see what I can get out of this thing. I've been playing around with these easy wood hollowing tools the last couple of projects that I've completed, and I gotta tell you that I really do like them, and I'm actually starting to get more comfortable with them. And getting the vessels hollowed out is getting to be easier and easier. I tend to go back and forth. I don't go in a specific order. It's not like I start with tool number 1 and then go to number 2 and then number 3. A lot of times I'll use number 1. I might go to 3, I might go back to 1, maybe to 2. So I don't want anybody that is considering getting the tools to think that it has to be used in a certain order, because it really doesn't. It's just really up to the way you work. Once I really got close to the shape, I noticed that the top was in pretty bad shape. I was really worried that this crack right here would go ahead and separate and ruin my piece. So I went ahead and took a few minutes and used some Starvon CA to stabilize it, and as you can see, that worked out pretty well. Whenever I make a handle for one of my tools, I always put an upholstery tack in the butt end of it. And I do that so I can use it in cases like this as kind of like a mallet, so I can tap on the piece and drive the particulate deeper into the void. Now at this point I was super excited because, as you can see, the void on the side actually penetrates all the way through the piece. I was really excited about that. One other thing is, I've been using glitter as a particulate to fill voids lately, but this time around I went ahead and mixed turquoise with a little bit of glitter just to see how that went, and then locked it in with the CA. I'm pretty happy with the way it came out. due to all the voids in the outside of this piece, I had to get really creative with the application of the CA. Unfortunately, I misplaced the video, but this one was tricky. So much so that I think I'm going to, at a later date, do another piece and show you what I ended up having to do. I'm really happy with the way this project turned out. Working with challenging materials like this really helped me to grow as a wood turner. When the opportunity arises, I highly recommend that you give it a shot. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and click the little notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I release new content. Also, if you'd like to help us out here at Dreadnought Woodshop, you could do so by shopping the Amazon store using the affiliate links that I have included in the description. Another great way to help out your favorite content creators is to share the content that they create with others that you know that would enjoy it. That really helps us out a lot. I'd like to take this time now to thank you for joining me in the shop. I hope you enjoyed the video, and remember, dread not and make something. Peace.